Hey guys, we wanted to show you this EH16-10 built by Bwise.
On this channel, we specialize in creating video overviews of popular trailers and the best features and options from our manufacturers. Our goal is to educate you with all the information you need to make the best decision when looking for a new trailer.
This is the equipment trailer, the EH series, really great unit. They've been extremely popular this year. This one here, again, is going to be a 16 foot in total length. It's also going to be a 10,000 pound GBWR, so any truck can pull this. If you are concerned about making sure that you are compliance with DOT and also the regulations, this one here is rated for 9990. So none of those regulations would apply to you if the trailer is under 10,000 pounds. So this one, again, in 16 foot total length, you're going to be able to put on here tractors, gators, whatever you have, small equipment, going to load right up on here nice and neatly. The EH series comes standard with a 2 5/16 fully adjustable coupler here at the front. You're going to have everything you need as far as your breakaway kit, your safety chains. This one has an 8,000 pound drop leg jack here in the front, built by Ram. Good little unit, and it's also quickly interchangeable. If something happens, you bend the jack up or something like that. Nice bolt-on version, so it's quickly you're able to quickly change it out without a bunch of hassle cutting and welding and that type of thing. Next up, we got a really nice tool tray right here in the front. You're gonna be able to throw your chains, binders, straps, tuck it all in there nice and neatly. Gonna be out of the way for you, and then this has the spot there right at the front, so you can put a master lock on there if you're concerned about that. It comes standard with this stop rail right there, and then also the rub rail down the sides, and also the stake pockets. So if you have chains, binders, or straps, you can click or hook onto these, or go straight to your D-rings there along the side. This one, as I mentioned, has the 10,000 pound rated, or 9990. It's got the two 5,200 pound axles. That one there is going to be a 6-lug wheel and tire setup. Of course, brakes, all 4 wheels. A nice setup there. And back here at the back, this one has the stand-up ladder ramps, the EH series. And then back here at the back, it's going to have the slanted wedge piece welded onto the end of the ramp, making that transition onto the ramp nice and easy instead of having a little bump there to go over. Again, this piece right here, just small details like that does make a difference at the end of the day when you're loading tractors or golf carts or something like that. It's going to be able to drive up on there nice and smooth. This one, we do offer the option to have it to be a spring-loaded ramp. We have those springs here in-house. So you're able to come up here, and if you want to add on a spring, we do the install for free. So when you're purchasing a trailer from us here at Brechbill Trailer Sales, we can do the install on these upgrades for free for you. So definitely check us out there. This one is a stock unit, and it's in the Hammertone gray color. So this one is ready to go. You can order these trailers in whatever color you want to. And we do try to keep this one here, but this summer these trailers have been moving quite rapidly, so definitely if you're interested, give us a ring. One of our associates would love to help you out, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.